Hi, I'm Caitlyn Gibson, University Arborist at Oklahoma State University, and today we're on the north side of Advanced Technology and Research Center where you see 6 Princeton Elms. And this is the perfect time of year to showcase this tree as its typical dark green foliage has turned into a vibrant bright yellow for the fall. This tree was first introduced in 1922 and is an improved variety of our native American elm. It's an extremely popular tree to plant in urban settings because of its tight vase shape. It can fit in smaller spaces. It's also extremely drought resistant, tolerant of urban settings, and has a natural resistance to the Dutch elm disease issue. At maturity, the Princeton elm can get to be about 50 feet tall and about 30 feet wide, and keeping in mind that it is highly tolerant of a lot of conditions, along with its vibrant fall color, it's a great selection for the urban setting and can easily be found in the nursery industry.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.